this video we will be unboxing this Eveready DL50 torch, which is in red color. I have ordered this color only. It is let me show you. There is no other color options in this. Talking of the technical specifications, we can see that LED bulb power consumption is 0.75 watt. Battery type AA type battery. Width and length is 6 cm into 33 cm. Okay, I have ordered this in 19th of November. Today is 25th November and it is delivered. So let us take the package inside the camera. Okay, this is the package. It is delivered today and we will unbox this and see what contents are there in this package. Okay, let me cut this tape. Okay, so let me show you the bill first. Okay, you can see here the actual price is 100 rupees and 85 paise. IGST is 18 rupees 15 paise. Total I have to pay 119 rupees. So keeping this aside, okay, the box is only this is the content. Yes, put this packaging box outside and take a look in this main actual package. Talking for the box overview, we see here free 3 AA batteries inside Eveready. As I say, this is the SKU code, stock keeping unit code. Okay, here is some technical specification that Eveready torches will long 4 into luster. Okay, these torches are available in 3 colors. Flipkart only offers this red color only. Here you see the MRP is 125 rupees. Packaging date is November 9th of the 9th month 2021 unit. Torch type DL50. Specification: durable body, intense white light, flasher function. Okay. Operating parameters: bright white LED, 3.2 volt, 300 milliampere consumption and 120 lumens light. So let's open this box. It said no batteries inside. They said that I think batteries are already loaded in the torch. It feels quite heavy. Let us see. The torch is not functioning. What the hell? Let us open this and check whether batteries are inside or not. Okay, batteries are inside and these are sealed batteries. Okay, batteries are, you can see there is a thin blue film. Sealed batteries inside. Okay, let us cut this batteries and this one. Second one. So 3 batteries, putting inside the 3 batteries. Quite bright. Let me dim the light so you can actually, you can see it's quite bright. I have purchased the same torch but from the company of Siska. Okay, let me take that torch inside the camera and compare both torches. You can see this is the torch from the house of Siska. Okay, this is the Siska. Okay, you can see Eveready is more brighter. Okay, you can see here Eveready lens is quite bigger. You can see this Siska's light is quite yellowish type and it has little bit whiter tone. The Eveready flashlight has little bit whiter tone, but Siska's has little yellowish tone. Let me tell you, it's the Eveready torch cost around 119 rupees and the Siska's torch cost around 115 rupees. It is a little bit cheap as compared to, not that much cheap, only a cheap of rupees 4 rupees. Even in the sale you can get this torch of for around 99 rupees. Even I have seen this in Diwali sale for around 90 rupees also. You can also go for this torch, but its switch is not give the tactile feel. See, it's, but every touch you can just hear this. So I think it always Eveready is a better choice. Okay, so this will be the for today's video. Stay tuned and we will upload such type of videos very soon. Okay, thanks, bye bye.